What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be welding the diff on my friend Matt's E36. This thing's had an open diff and he's been trying to drift it and it's not been going so well. So today it's time to yank it out, lay a few tacks in it, and getting it sliding a lot better than it was before. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're getting started taking out the axles. This lift makes things so much easier and faster. It is absolutely crazy. But I'm not sure if I'm going to weld the diff tonight. I don't really know how to weld, but I do have a welder, so we'll see. We got the diff out. We're going to crack it up and clean it up and ready for the tacks.
I've only seen you weld like 3 things.
Hey, they worked. All 3 of them. It is time to put a few tacks on this diff. Now, do I know how to weld? No, I just have a welder. But we're going to come in here. I looked on the internet. You just fill all this garbage up here. Yes, you will not be able to get your axle flanges out or whatever, but it's fine. This is Matt's car. So I'm just gonna start chock-ing this full of weld. Supposedly that works. We'll see. And we'll let you know when it's done. Alright, we got done with this side. Show what we got in here. It's not exactly the most beautiful thing in the world. You have to go high setting because it doesn't like it. High setting. Oh! Yeah, there she is. It's okay. It's not beautiful. You get a BMW too? Now we gotta.
Got a lot of welding footage, so I'm gonna just.
Alrighty, she's welded. She's cooled. Ready to go. RTV'd this junk. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a little plop it on there. Give it about 4 minutes to dry. Pretty sure you allowed like 24 hours, but 4 minutes will work. Is that going in? Car's $500. It's fine.
700, right?
So.
The exhaust brother is going there.
Got it in. Took 4 dudes. It was actually not. It wasn't bad at all. You got to remember to put the drive shaft in as you put the diff in, or it's kind of like not possible because they give you not a whole lot of room to move it around. But it's in. Hopefully those welds hold. We'll see. I've never welded a diff before my entire career, so. Oh, we gotta put the axles in. Rip.
Get this out of the shot.
Diff is officially back in. Time to use the old transfer pump and get, how many, was it like 1 point something, a little less than 2. Pretty much just fill it at the top. I'll show you in here. It's a little dark, but you know, whatever. This is the fill bolt, that's the drain bolt. So the top bolt, you fill it till it starts kind of peeing out and you're good. What are we using? Fluid? We're using some fluid that Jordan bought for his KA. Just bought it, we're just gonna throw it in this thing. There's a bunch of splatter in there, so what I would say is he's gonna run it for like a day or 2. Drain it out again, get all the metal shavings out and refill it again. Be good to go on that. Toss her in. Toss her in. Demonetized. So we're trying to get the drain bolt off, and since we could not get a ratchet on this, it's a, what size was this you say, Jordan? So we could not get it on the 14 looking hex. We couldn't get a ratchet on either of this, so we put it in there and put the 14mm wrench with a weird little cutout in there. On that tool, hit it with a dead blow and bust it loose. Now we're gonna transfer pump the fluid up into the diff, put it back, tighten it, lower it, and clutch kick it.
Sponsored by Jimmy John's. And I'm hearing some liquids.
It was kind of a good job, thank you.
You did it, Jonathan.
Catch it up. Oh, there it is. There it is.
The light's on!
Dude, he's leaking something.
It might have been water from the drain.
I'm so excited. There he goes. Ooh. Ooh, clutch kick a little too late, my friend.
You got really sideways, really fast.
Welcome to the welded diff life, buddy.
Wow.
Yeah. Your life has changed. Alright, we're in Mexico. There's Matt. Alright, Matt. Give her some tests. Try not to crash into the curb or the semi trucks.
I think I heard some fuel cutting.
Oh yeah, he's fuel cutting hard. I think it's some angle. Did you see that angle on that thing?
I did.
What the heck? What?
second out real quick.
Try second gear! Second gear! Second Stop saying it.
I don't think you heard me. Oh yeah, that's second. Hey, at least he's drifting though. I need to ride with him and teach him things, but I don't know if I want to do it.
He wasn't going sideways.
No, he clutch kick going straight. You need to go sideways. This clutch is so Wow, that was kind of sick. That was kind of dope. I like that. That was
pretty good.
Whenever he dumped it, the tires didn't really spin.
That was a little sick.
Alright, my turn. Let's see what we got. What'd you break? Hey, drifting out there kind of looks sick though. I was gonna mention, whenever you stop and you shove it in gear and you dump it, I'm pretty sure your clutch is slipping a little bit. Well, the welded diff works. You happy with it, Matt?
That's alright. The clutch is slipping.
Yeah, he's been clutch kicking way too much on the open diff, so his clutch is gone. We'll replace it some other time. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it or if it helped you out at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with the builds we have going on the channel. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you guys in there.